Right there where he always is. All right. Who's going to tell me the first one? Avnor. I love how everybody's hands go up for the first one because they think that if I call on them once, I won't call on them later, and it will give less chance that I ask them to do number 15. Avnor.
Should I just say all the steps or just the answer?
No, just say the answer.
X plus 1, 5x plus 2.
Is this all right?
Yes.
Of course it is, so don't ask. Who's doing number 2? Armand. Excellently done. Who's doing 4? Let's go.
4 or
3.
3? X plus 3, 6x minus 1.
X plus 3, 6x minus 1. Who's doing 4? Harry.
N minus 2, 3n plus 4.
Who's doing 5? Mantoge. Who's doing 6? Oh, usually nobody puts their hand up for 6 because it's so freaky looking. All right, Harry, what you got?
3y minus 2, 5y plus 1.
3y minus 2, 5y plus 1. That's what you have? What's 3 times 5y? 15y squared. Where do you see 15y squared? Luana. 2y. Yep.
Plus 3
Y.
y minus
2y plus 3, y minus 5. That. 2y times negative y is negative y squared. Good. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. You need positive 15. So you're on the right track. Anybody want to take over? This 5 should be positive, which means, let's check. 2y minus 2y, there's my negative 2y squared. 2y times 10, there's my 10y. 3 times negative y, there's minus 3y. 10 minus 3 is not negative 7. You're dancing around it. You're so close to it, it makes me happy. Tamana. I'm sorry, what? So Tamana is going 5 minus y. 5 minus y and 3 minus 2y. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, so that's good. 5 times negative 2y is negative 7. Negative y times 3 is negative 3y. So you have negative 10y minus 3y. Is that 7y? No. Mantoge, what is it?
y minus 5, 2y plus 3.
Y minus 5, 2y plus 3. No, because 5 times 3 is negative 15. I need positive 15. Armand. Negative 2y minus 3. Y plus 5. Negative 2y times y is negative 2y. Negative 2y times 5 is negative 10y. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 3y. Negative 3 and negative 10 is not negative 7. Lily. Y plus 5 and 2y minus 3. You still get 5 times negative 3, and that's negative 15. Sarav. Negative y minus 5. 2y minus 3. Negative y times positive y is negative 2y squared. Good. Negative y times negative 3 is positive 3y. Negative 5 times positive 2 is negative 10y. Hey. That is almost the right answer. What do you see right there? Two negatives. So you bring out a negative 1 and you get y plus 5 and 2y minus 3. That is the answer you should be seeking. Now, I'm about to discuss that, Jewel. It's like you're in my head. This question bothers you because it's not in the order you like to see it. So put it in the order you like to see it. Negative 2y squared minus 7y plus 15. Now that negative 2 bothers you, so get rid of it. 2y squared plus 7y minus 15. And then factor that with the negative 1 out front. Okay? Both ways are legit. And who's doing 7? Harry. K plus 1. K minus 2. So close. You need a 5 out in front. Because, of course, you GCF'd out a 5 there, yes? And number 8. Who's doing number 8 in my least favorite color? Raj.
X minus 2y times 2x minus y.
This is not brown. No, it looks brown to you on the screen, but it is not. I don't know. It does not look brown to me either, but whatever. Mustard. Number 9. Number 9. There are other people in the class who did this. I'm going to start picking people at random. If you want to get your name out there when you know you've got it right, you should be volunteering. Gerbier.
N minus 5m times 2n plus 3n.
2n plus 3n?
N minus 7.
That's an n?
Yeah.
I'll allow, no. What is it?
Could you explain what was wrong with that answer?
He had n minus what?
5m.
5m, right? 2n plus 3m. Oh no, he's okay. Well done. Well done. My second least favorite color. Number 10. Caden.
2x minus 3 times 3x minus 2.
Number 11. Number 11. Nika.
S plus 5, 2s plus 1.
Except, of course, what's missing from the front. What needs to be right there? 6. Because, of course, you divided a 6 out of there. Number 12. Number 12. Avnor.
X plus 10, 9x minus 1.
Excellent. What should you do if you are saying in your head, oh, okay, but accidentally saying it out loud?
It was an accident. I just switched the sign.
Okay.
I wrote it down right and then I switched the sign.
4 or 13, tricky. What do you got to do first? You got to bring out the x. And then what's the answer? X. 4x plus or minus. I'm hearing one person saying plus, one person saying minus. This is what happens when one person doesn't volunteer. Minus. Go, Simmer. Keep going.
Why are you lying?
I know she's lying. I think she thinks I don't have eyes and ears. I think she thinks that I don't know that she was the one that said 4x minus. I don't know why she thinks that, but I think that that is what she thinks. Now, do I pick someone at random to finish this, like Osei Simmer? I could if I wanted. What is it? Raj, go.
What? Oh.
Number 13.
X is outside, and then 4x squared minus 7x minus 2.
Then what?
Wait, and then it's x bracket, then 4x, and then bracket, x minus 2. No, like this, another bracket. No, like the other way. Like, here's what I got. I don't know how to say.
Read your letters. Don't say bracket. Just read.
Can you say this? Like, how do you say this? 4x, and then, like,
X minus 2 in a bracket.
yeah. And then plus 1. Plus 1.
Somebody take over. RJ.
Oh, wait, no. No, I'm sorry. Wait, no. No, okay. I was reading one of my stats.
Oh,
That's why I got confused.
all right.
I got the same answer.
Okay.
I was reading
Okay.
my stats. I don't get that.
Raj will. Rock factoring. Good job.
I don't know.
Number 14.
Redeem yourself for the next one.
How to do number 14? Sure, I have, because you know how to do it if there's no E there. Okay, so what if there's no E there, what are you going to do? You're going to multiply to what? And you're going to add to what? So what is it? 20 and 2. D plus 20 over 8. D plus 2 over 8. You simplify to 5 over 2 and 1 over 4 to get 2D plus 5 and 4D plus 1. Right? Now, but you need an E squared at the end. Well, if D and D got me D squared, what gets me E squared? E and E. Done. And lastly, Riley May, saving it for the end. Well done.
2a subtract 3b and 4a minus 3b.
Whoa. If I put a 4 there, I get 2 times 4, which is 8. There you go. 2a, then what? 2a minus 3b. Negative b times negative b would be positive 9b. Right? So they're both plus? Okay. So that's 4a plus 6ab minus 6ab, which is going to give me 0 ab's. Nika.
A minus 3B, 4A plus 3. Yes.
There you go. Because that is 4a squared plus 3ab minus 12ab to get negative 9. And then 3 times 3 is negative 9b squared. Now, why did I put this one here? Because it's got a perfect square there and it's got a perfect square there. And some of you would have been like, oh, I know when there's perfect squares on both ends, there's weird stuff to be done there. There's square roots and such. Yeah? Right? That's why that question is the last one. Sarah. Yes. Number 7, of course, you notice that 5, 5, 0, so they all divide by 5. So you get 5, 3k squared plus k minus 2. Then you need factors that multiply to negative 6 and add to 1, which is, of course, k plus 3 over 3 and k minus 2 over 3. Right? Simplify to 1. The 3 moves to the front. And there's your answer. Yeah? Yeah. Class is going to end in approximately 5 minutes. Once again, page 85 to 86 is HW for marking. Okay. Tomorrow.